How to make easy Salisbury steak with gravy. In a bowl, I have 1.5 kilos of ground beef. Add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, minced medium onion, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Add 1 egg and some crushed pepper. Start mixing by hand. Make sure that everything is well incorporated. Afterwards, grab some meat and start forming patties. Next, heat some oil in a pan and then brown the patties. After a few minutes, flip to brown the other side. Once browned, set aside. In the same pan, sauté onions and then add the mushroom. Cook for some minutes. And afterwards, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and some Dijon mustard. And then add 2 cups of beef broth and 1 cup of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of flour and then mix it well. And then season with some salt and some pepper. And then we can now add back the beef patties. Let it cook for some minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's ready to serve. So good. And then you're done. Thank you for watching.